top ways that I would recommend to you. The first and the most important is to have your home very well insulated and air sealed. And this is something where a lot of people can do themselves, but you do need to be careful. Most times when homeowners think about how do I make my home less drafty or more tight or more insulated, they think about going around and caulking windows and doors and things like that. And unfortunately, that's one of the last things that we would recommend to you. Just because when we think about how air moves in your home, we want to have a somewhat good, clean, healthy air coming into your home for what we call fresh air ventilation. Now, we don't want a ton, but we do want a controlled amount. And typically windows and doors are our cleanest air that we have moving into our home. The areas that we don't want air to come from are typically our attics and our crawl spaces. And those are our biggest energy saving pieces to improve comfort, to reduce dust, control moisture and humidity. And unfortunately, they're just not the easiest ones to do. So insulating itself is, it will help, but to get the biggest value for making your home more energy efficient, you actually need to air seal before you insulate. And air seal meaning that we want to use either types of spray foam, caulking, something that is gonna not let air move through it. Whether that be in the wintertime, you've probably heard of hot air rising. Well, in an attic, hot air from inside of your home, if your home is not air sealed, will actually leave your home and escape up through the attic. In the summertime, it's the opposite. We'll have really hot air being pushed down into your home. So air sealing your attic and then insulating after that is our number one recommendation. Our number two is your crawl space. Same thing, if we can air seal your crawl space, meaning we don't want any air from in your home moving down there, and we also don't want any air from your crawl space moving up into your living area. So we use things like spray foam, like caulking, special caulking, and then again, insulating the outside perimeter or outside foundation walls of your basement or crawl space. So those are my top two. From there, we're gonna go into duct sealing. This is typically our next largest energy savings and comfort improvement. Not every home this is gonna make that difference, but most homes where you have ductwork that run through a crawl space, an attic, or an unconditioned basement, that's our biggest piece. And then finally, we have equipment. So updating your home to more energy efficient equipment, whether that's heating and air, which is typically our biggest energy consumer in your home, or your water heating system. Those are another appliances that we can do that make your home more energy efficient. Now, if you want more information on this, or you just want to see where your home is at when it comes to insulating, air sealing, duct sealing, what kind of equipment things are going on, give us a call. We do something called a home performance test, where we come in and we test your home for how tight or how loose it is. We can use infrared cameras to look at insulation gaps or what we're doing, and overall just give you a good assessment, a place to start with on what you can do or what we can do to help you with making your home better.